The film opens with Madame Natasha overseeing the dancers' warm-up session and critiquing the children's number. Kristen and Haley are backstage talking when Tara and Dylan perform their Pass the Dir. Kristen's solo begins and she dances flawlessly, but soon the music overtakes her and she begins to improvise new choreography. Madame Natasha chastises her, causing Kristen to fall and rip her shoes, and warns her not to deviate when the International Ballet Scouts come. Kristen and Haley leave to get a new pair of shoes, while Tara's father tries to convince Madame to let his daughter have another solo Kristen's. But Madame tells him that his daughter already has enough solos and walks away. Meanwhile, while looking for a new pair of shoes, Haley can't seem to find any Kristen's size, which is 5. But then, the costume mistress, Madame Katerina, gives Kristen a pair of pink point shoes that overwhelm her. When she tries them on, she and Haley are suddenly transported to a magical world, which turns out to be the ballet world of Giselle, where Kristen has transformed into Giselle. She starts to dance Giselle's solo and dances beautifully. However, when Prince Albrecht asks her to marry him and is interrupted by Hilarion, Kristen rejects them both. Haley reminds her of the tragic ending of the ballet, and suggests that they leave. As they are about to leave, they are nearly run over by an icy sleigh ridden by the Snow Queen, who rules the ballet world. She demands to know why the dancers have deviated from the story, and where Giselle is. Hilarion tries to cover for her, but the queen turns to Giselle's mother, Berthe. The Snow Queen knows when Berthe tries to lie to her and turns her into an ice sculpture. Hilarion and Albrecht agree to work together to find Giselle. Meanwhile, Haley has figured out that the shoes are behind everything and tries to convince Kristen to take them off. However, Kristen refuses and runs away. When Haley catches up, she finds Kristen at a lake and that she has now transformed into Queen Odette. Prince Siegfried happens upon them and asks Odette to dance while Rothbart looks on. The prince asks Odette to come his party that night and she agrees. However, Rothbart wants his daughter, Odile, to marry the prince and turns Kristen and Haley into swans to detain them. The Snow Queen arrives, approves of Rothbart's plan and then leaves to continue looking for the source of the ballet disruptions. After a narrow encounter with Hilarion and Albrecht, Haley and Kristen are able to fly away and arrive at the party, knowing that only Siegfried can break Rothbart's spell. Kristen is able to interrupt the prince's dance with Odile, who has been disguised to look like Odette, and breaks the spell. Unfortunately, the Snow Queen has caught up with them and takes Haley captive as she does not belong in the story. Distressed and worried for her friend, Kristen follows the ice trail left by the Snow Queen's sleigh, but breaks down and starts crying as she thinks that it is hopeless in finding Haley. Hilarion and Albrecht catch up to her, and Kristen explains that her friend is missing. She asks them for help in taking on the Snow Queen and they set off. When they get to the Ice Palace, both men try to convince her of marriage again, but Kristen says she would never be happy if she doesn't save Haley. Hilarion and Albrecht decide to help her. Inside the palace, the Snow Queen is furious with Kristen, and proves her point by making Haley dance the Chinese doll dance from Coppelia, before turning her attention to Kristen and forcing her to dance as well. Hilarion and Albrecht try to save Kristen, but are unable to overcome the Snow Queen's powers. Luckily, Kristen's passion for making up her own choreography allows her to break the Snow Queen's control by herself. As she does so, she undergoes another transformation into a beautiful pink, rose-decorated costume. Haley unfreezes, and asks Kristen if she is finally ready to go home, to which Kristen says, yes, and takes off the pink shoes. As they return magically back in the costume shop, Madame Katerina comes in and reminds them that Kristen needs to be on stage in 15 minutes. Tara gives her a pair of ballet shoes, and Haley makes some last-minute adjustments to the costume, while the talent scouts watch the other numbers. Kristen comes on stage and begins her dance. As she modulates into her own choreography, her dress magically changes from blue and purple to glittery pink, and everyone agrees that her dance is amazing. The scouts want to feature Tara and Dylan in their company, and ask Kristen to star in a brand new ballet with Haley as her costume designer. As the dancers leave, Madame Katerina takes the pink shoes and carefully packs them away, smiling.